Introducing our Spending Electric Mill Set. Experience the beauty of simplicity with our 2023 European Product Design Award winner. The perfect blend of minimalist design and functionality. Effortless seasoning at your fingertips. With the continuous electric grinding and adjustable grinding levels, ensuring perfect results with just one hand. All powered by the precision of a ceramic grinder. Refilling your spices is a breeze. Simply remove the back cover for quick and easy access. No batteries are required. Our sleek and functional charging base keeps your mills powered up and ready to go whenever you need them. Never worry about running out of power. With the extra direct USB-C charging port and the included USB-C cable, you'll always have a backup plan. Express your style with our grinder set, which is available in a wide range of unique colors, a perfect complement to any kitchen decor. Feel the superior soft touch material, which adds comfort and elegance to your culinary routine. At a final glance, let's recap Spending's highlights. Elevate your seasoning moments with our Spending Electric Mill Set. LARS NYSØM, the beauty of simplicity.